Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS GeForce RTX 5060 Ti series. So friends, ASUS will launch at least 4 different designs based on the RTX 5060 Ti series. The RTX 5060 Ti featuring 4608 CUDA cores and will launch under the TUF, PRIME and Dual series, and the PRIME and the TUF series will stick on the traditional triple fan design and based on the shroud, and they are expected to look. And one thing we notice is that the unlike RTX 5070 series TUF card will no longer any 5 display output, 3 plus DB port and 2 into HDMI, but instead have a standard for 3 into DP and 1 into HDMI port. And unfortunately we do not have confirmation on the power connector used by this card. You can seek some conclusion based on the backplate design, but it is not definitive answer. Similarly, we are not have the final clock speed yet, but we can confirm that all card in the post our factory overclock, and ASUS should also launch non-AC variant and the dual series. It's the first one of the RT50 series, and it's appeared to ASUS has made small update to design in terms of the color scheme and not the overall shape. It's worth nothing that we only have information on the dual model is 8GB version for now, while the Prime series seems the targeting 8GB and 16GB configuration, and the Top series is a 16GB version. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.